Okay, welcome back. This time we are going to talk about projects. What is exactly a project in Autodesk Inventor? Well, this is the main file. It used to be an IPJ format, Inventor project, and the objective of this file is to let you to organize your files by setting libraries, workspace, libraries of files. Sorry, we have appearances, materials, so libraries as well, and other type of access that you're going to have in general, as well as location, which is pretty important. You can have control of exactly uh, your working folders are going to be in your project, letting you to organize and letting you also to reuse parts that are considered as libraries done by you, by your organization or your team. So the basics of creating a new project file is this. You're going to click new, then you are going to have two options. One is single user project. That means that the files are going to be stored in your computer and or on a server as you wish, but it's not with intention of being shared via Vault. Vault is the application, the data management program from Autodesk that makes life easier. But in this video, we are just going to talk about the project file as itself. So it doesn't matter if it is a Vault project or it is a single user project. Then I'm going to click next, and then I will provide the name for the project. So in this case, I want to say this is going to be video introduction. All right. So as you can see, Inventor automatically fills this area with whatever I put on the name, because it is going to, by default, create a folder inside the Inventor folder in your documents. Doesn't matter what name you place in there, it is going to do it. But you can also have control about the situation and create a folder whichever you want. That's not a problem. And name the project with a different name. That's not going to affect in anything. But just to let you know, the default is this. So let's say, yeah, video for YouTube. All right. Then I will click next. Then here we have the option of libraries. If you have existing libraries, Inventor is going to have them listed in here, and you just by double clicking include them into the project, or remove it if you need, just by double clicking or using these arrows. Now let's just click finish, and Inventor is going to ask you if you want to create the folder because it doesn't exist yet. Click OK, and there you go. Now we have the project in here. So looking more deeply in deep with these options in here, doesn't seem like there is not much to do there, but there is, trust me. So you have appearances, libraries. So we have the default that is Inventor Material Library, but there are more extensions of those material libraries with the Autodesk Material Library or Autodesk Appearance Library. Going down, we have Material Libraries itself, So here is an important thing to mention, that these are appearances. So we are talking just about the color. And we have material libraries that are containing more important information about the materials, like uh, yield, um, ratio, and Poisson ratio, and stuff like that, right? So limit of yield of the material, sorry. Yeah, you understand what I mean. Then we have workspace. Workspace is by default the folder that you already select. This folder right here, it's exactly the same folder. So if you want to change it, you can do it. Custom libraries in here, you can add new libraries. You select um, the folder here, libraries, and then click here and add new path. So usually are existing folders that you already have. Then you have the folder options where you can set the location for your templates, design data, presets, and content center files. Content center files are very important. So it will depend on how you have the setup of your computer and the installation. This other one of options I don't use to change that. That's important. And here is something extra that I would like to show. So when we talk about content center files, you have the option of include standards or to not include them. For example, in here. So in this case, this is the default. So some of them are not available. Maybe they are not installed in this computer, and others are simply not available. But yeah, you can unselect all them, leave just the ANSI or the DIN, ISO, standard. The default is to have most of them check. So this is going to say if you are going to have them or not available on your project, in your library. This is very important to know. All right, so this is all that I have to show in this video.
Don't forget to subscribe. Cheers.